All right, so we're doing this video. I'm actually done with the video. I'm excited for it. Little things at a time. But looking, guys, like and subscribe, please. I'm a new channel. I know I'm a new channel. I'm just starting out. Like, comment, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thanks. Enjoy the video.
Hey, what's up, everybody? So today, got a nice little package, and it's for the Mustang. So still have the check engine light, but man, we've just got to do something that's going to make it look a little bit better and make us feel better, right? So ordered some headlights. Nothing crazy. They're pretty nice. Basically a replacement of what's already there, and I think it's just going to be so much better. So got the box sitting right here. Let's open it up. All right, here we go. So I already popped that open. These are just an Amazon headlight. I already checked them out. They seem to be pretty nice, pretty high quality, for what they are. Can't really beat the price on them. They look really similar to what's on the car. Not sure if that's already what these are, but they are just demolished. Can't even see much out of them. So let's check these out. All right. So, whoa, buddy. Just toss that. Yeah, I think that's going to look a lot better. It's got the little, even with the plastic on it, these are already clearer than the ones that are on the car. So let's go out to the car, check it out. So here we are. We're at the Mustang. As you can see, man, these headlights are just gnarly. You can't even see in them. I know the sun's not quite right, but look at how foggy those are. Speaking of the fog lights, them bad boys are going to be next, but they're still pretty bright. So I looked at the new ones. There's only 3 bolts. So let's pop the hood and see what we can see. Okay, so I'm just laying under the car because, no garage, no lift, no nothing. So if I can do it, you guys can do it. The headlight is basically up there, and the bolts are not terribly bad. I'm underneath the car. This is going to be the worst one back here. And then there's this one, and then the one right on top. So not too bad. 3 bolts. Pull the bulbs out. Let's do this. Okay, so we're back up top, and this is that top bolt. Super easy. Sorry, the lighting's not the greatest, guys. I am working with nature. So let's get these out, and I'll just show you when we get them out. All right. Okay, already have all the bolts out. The bottom bolts are super easy. You just got to get up underneath there, and 2 bolts, easy access. So let's take a look. Not sure if you can see. I'm just going to pop the headlight bulb out. Hope if I'm reaching the right one, because of how pulling the light bulb out, because of how it kind of attaches down here. I'm not so sure. Oh, there's a little rivet. I'll be right back. Okay, so looks like we needed to pull the inner fender out, and right up here there's just another nut. So might have to remove the bumper cover because of how the light attaches. So we'll get this yanked off and see what we see. All right, so there was 2 bolts back here. They're kind of riv nuts or something. You just pull the nut off and then bumper should come off. All right. Oh, hey, look at that. There's our headlight. So we took a couple out up here. I'll show you. This is that tab that you got to get around. Now, this might not be the right way, but hey, buddy, we're doing it. And little wiggle. Caught on. Okay. And there it is. All right, there's the old one, and there's the new one, even with the plastic still on it. So that really wasn't bad. Maybe 15-20 minutes, guys, tops. I didn't even look into this at all, excuse me. I just ordered these lights and figured we would attack it together. So don't even be afraid to do this. Couple bolts,
Get in there, take your time, look for them. Let's get them back in. I am so excited for this. This is gonna make such a difference. All right, so we had to kind of twist it like this and just put it in, pulling the bumper down, but there you can see, got everything back into place. And let's peel this before we bolt everything back together. You can really see what those new lights are looking like. You know, and this pair was under $100. You can't tell me that's a huge difference for under $100. I am excited. Let's put it back together. All right, guys, that was stupid easy. 15-20 minutes, it's already tightened back down. Look at that fog light next to it. Look at this old headlight. How gnarly is that? $80 Amazon, guys. Link in the description below. That is so much better. Okay, so the passenger side was definitely easier. I just went in there, got the bumper off, yanked that light, and right when I was getting ready to pull it out, I reached right here. Well, not sure if you guys can see that, if the light's right or not, but boy, that plastic is sharp. Be careful. Blood, sweat, and tears. Let's go. All right, apologize about the light. Just got these guys back together. Those hold the bumper on right there. Need to still tighten that down, get the fitment right, and then we will get the inner fender put back up in there, and I will show you guys what this new headlights look like, and it is nice. What a huge difference. All right, making progress. What a difference that makes. $80 and about 45 minutes from start to finish. Sorry about the lighting, but what a difference that makes. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I am so excited to start driving this car some more and being able to see. Unfortunately, the next week, we are in a winter storm warning. We're going to have -0 Fahrenheit temperatures. So I had to knock this out right quick, and I am so excited. You know, bought this car cheap, and we're going to slowly fix it up. You know, not everybody's affording a brand new car or wants to. You know, we can make this our own and just enjoy it along the way. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and hammer on.